Aren't you glad the Lord waited for you? Aren't you glad that He didn't give up? Well, this song sounds a lot like me. There's a ship out on the ocean at the mercy of the sea. It's been tossed about, lost and broken, wandering aimlessly. And God, somehow you know that ship was me. There's a lighthouse in a harbor, shining faithfully, pouring its light out across the water, where the sinking soul can see that someone out there still believes in me. On the prayer in the song, I hear your voice and it keeps me hanging on, raining down against the wind, reaching out till we reach the circle's edge and you come back to me again. There's a moment we all come to in our own time and space, where all that we have done He can undo if our heart's in the right place. On a prayer in a song, I hear your voice and it keeps me hanging on, raining down against the wind. I hear your voice and it reaches the circle's edge and you come back to me again. And again I see my yesterdays in front of me, unfolding like a mystery. You're changing all that is and is to be. On the prayer in a song, I hear your voice and it keeps me hanging on, raining down against the wind. I'm reaching out till we reach the circle's edge and you come back to me again. When you come back to me again.